Hi friends, today we are going to link the structure file into our project architectural essential training project file. Now let's see, here we have insert tab. Inside the insert we have manage link and link Revit. And here as well in the manage tab, here we have manage project inside manage link. So both options we can use. I choose the link Revit. Here now we have structure file Revit 2024 version. For positioning auto internal origin to internal origin, I keep it. We have many options, but I keep it original internal origin to internal origin. Make it open. Now see the link model is being upgraded from Autodesk Revit 2024 version to Autodesk Revit 2026 version. Now this is, you see, this is the link model we already linked. As we can see in the project browser at the last Revit links. Right click, I make it open this file. Now see the Revit 2024 model is now going to open. Now this is our model, structural model that is prepared in the Revit 2024 version. So I save this model, save as project in Revit 2026 file, project file.rvt extension. Make it save. Now close it, and then you see structure file Revit 24 Revit is unload. Go to manage link. Here is Revit 24, but we add Revit file 2026 internal origin to internal origin, that is open, and you see this is open in the 3D model, that is open. This is our linked model, you see. And for the Revit 24 model, I make it remove. Okay, here we have only structure file Revit 26. So this is the way how to link the model, external model, into our project file. So for the next, we will select the grids and the levels, how to take from the link model to in our project. For this, stay tuned. Thank you so much.